Well, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to use external resources to share with your students on Google Classroom. So first, what you're going to want to do is, of course, sign into your Google account, Google Classroom, and go to your classroom or any of your other classrooms, whatever classroom you want to share with your students this external resource. And then you're going to want to either make an announcement or create an assignment. So you can create an announcement, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to either want to go to this YouTube. You could do a link. If you have a URL link, you could do a file from your Google Drive, and you could also choose something from your personal computer, and you can just share it with your classroom. I'm going to show you how to do that now. I'll just do a YouTube video, a song. I'll just do my favorite song from a little bit earlier ago. I didn't really listen to it that much, but might as well just put it in there just as an example. And then you're just going to type whatever you want in it. Whatever kind of announcement you want to make about this specific YouTube video or Google Drive or anything like that. And then you're going to post, and that will post the external resource onto your Google Classroom, and it will share it with all of your students that are in your classroom. And that is how you upload external resources onto your Google Classroom. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.